Hello, good morning. My name is Bas Kuti. I'm president of MODAC, and we're partnering with CDO Magazine, MIT CDO IQ, and the International Society of Data Officers in a series of interviews. And today I welcome Manik Gupta, Chief Analytics and Insight Officer at Bayer Consumer Health. Good morning, Manik.
Baz, good morning. How are you? Hope all is well with you. Good to see you again.
Good to see you, yes. And thanks for volunteering to do this. As we get into this, could you just give a quick overview of, Bayer Consumer Health, what do they do and what is your role there and what would you get involved in?
Yeah, happy to. So Bayer has three divisions: the pharma division, the crop science division, and the consumer health division. I happen to be a part of the North America consumer health division in Bayer. We are an over-the-counter non-prescription product business. We operate in categories like dermatology, nutritionals, digestive health, analgesics, allergy, cough and cold, and cardiovascular risk prevention. If you think about the business in North America, we market iconic over-the-counter brands like Aleve, Alka-Seltzer, aspirin, Claritin, Miralax, and Wanadate, to name a few. So listen, my role in North America Consumer Health is to lead our analytics and insights, or AI function, which basically means I oversee several centers of excellence, including human truths, consumer engagement, enterprise business intelligence, as well as advanced analytics and data science. Now, I could take the whole day explaining what I do, but in very simple terms, in its essence, my job is to build next-gen bionic capabilities and accelerate the digital transformation of the business through data and analytics. That is, in its very essence, what I do.
Okay, and just a couple of points on that. You said human truths. What's that mean? What does that?
Yeah, human truths is consumer insights and shopper insights on steroids. Okay. What that really means is, leveraging technology to get to the very heart of understanding our consumers, such that that profound understanding of our consumers then shows up in our products and our services. So that's really what human truths is all about.
Well, that's a good example on that. And then as I look at the corporate website here, it says digitizing is driving more personalization and self-care. Can you just give some examples of what that means and the importance of data for personalized self-care?
Yeah, so as I reflect on what's happened over the past, let's say, 2 years or so, there are kind of three elements that have significantly accelerated the data-driven digital transformation of our business. So number one, today I think we have access to more first-party, second-party, third-party data than ever before in our history. Okay, and I'm talking over the last 150 years or so. The second thing is we have strategically chosen to invest in advanced big data platforms to mine trillions of digital data points in privacy compliant ways. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then third is, with COVID-19, there is, this renewed sense of focus and purpose behind consumer self-care. It's never been more important to take care of your health, and you own your health. So you bring these things together, and from a digitalization standpoint, what that means is we have built significant capability now in data-driven precision marketing in partnership with our in-house digital media agency. So what's happening is our algorithms are working very hard on these integrated data assets in secure, privacy-compliant data environments to allow us to communicate the right message to the right audience at the right time with the right context in profitable ways. That's really, how we've been leveraging, data and analytics to get to the next level of digitization and digital transformation.
Oh, that's good. And when you say about first data and second data and third data, kind of just for our audience, what does that mean? What does that mean for Bayer? And what does it? How does that kind of relationship between first, second, and third? So how does that sort of work out?
Yeah, by first, we're a very large advertiser. We generate a lot of our data because we advertise digitally in the marketplace. So that's first party data. And then, we have access to, like many others, we have access to, transaction data, we have access to retail footfall data, and so on and so forth. And so the idea here is the fusion of different data sets in privacy compliant ways. And that's in essence, how we operate on precision marketing capabilities.
Okay, that's really good. Interesting. That fusion of data across those different 3 layers of data sets is really critical to this personalized skincare approach as we go forward. And this requires a lot of collaboration between stakeholders, whether it's business leaders, internally, externally, the various IT functions you've got, and compliance as well. Regulations and as you go forward, and your data teams and digital teams. So how do you sort of manage and orchestrate all this collaboration between these stakeholders?
Yeah, listen, at the end of the day, I think of analytics and insights as a catalyst function. So we touch almost every aspect of our business. We touch every business unit. We touch every other, sister function, from, across the value chain. Yeah. But we don't produce product, we don't market product, we don't sell product. At the end of the day, when we produce these factoids that lead to insights, that then lead to implications, the action that comes out of that does not sit with us. So we have a profound understanding of the reality that for us to succeed, those that we serve must succeed. And that's, where, we get to 2 very important virtues we have as a team. Virtue 1 is around servant leadership. It is our job to serve our business. It is our job to serve our consumers. It is our job to serve our customers. And then this other virtue of collaboration. And on the collaboration side, we spend a good bit of time thinking about it and operationalizing it. So really what happens is there are explicit agreements and ways of working across different functions. There is this real push to get on-the-job feedback, and feedback loops are created almost on a daily basis. All right, and then there is this desire and push to take that feedback and convert that into the next set of products or the next set of tweaks to existing solutions, so we continue to address heart of business problems. So that's really the operating model and how collaboration sits, at the very center of what we do.